Okay, checkpoint 2.5, identify and fix the errors in the following code. Okay, line number 10, okay, public class test. That's okay. The class name is test. It declares class and then public. Line number 11, main methods, public, static void, main, and string array, arguments as a parameter. That's okay, and then opening and closing. If you look at here, actually, there are two hints. The first one says cannot find symbol, the variable k. So we are talking about the k. Before you use it, you have to define. Okay, we assume these are all integer values because k is used for the integer I. So we will say integer int k. Let's say use the default value 0. And then int I, we like to use the variable I for lowercase. Okay, so it's better to leave one space to make it more readable. So if we print this, okay, that will be 0 plus 2, then assigned to the variable I, and then we print it here. So answer will be number 2. Run it. Okay, here is the number 2. Okay, that's the output. So if you look at these particular ones, it's better to make some comments. There are inputs, 2 of them. Okay, K and J. Then process, then output. For simplicity, it might be better if we say equal to 0. Then this should be considered as a process. Equal to k plus 2. Then clearly now your program structure divided into input k and I, process for I, then output. Of course, result will be same. Okay, number 2. That's all. Thank you.